Hello and welcome back to my cottage garden. Today I would love to spend this absolutely beautiful and gorgeous evening together with you planting my tiny kitchen garden. And this is what I'm going to be planting today. So two types of lettuces, celery and beetroot. And I definitely need to water poor plant. But before we start, I would love to start with weeding and actually harvesting my beautiful tomatoes. And now I don't need this support anymore, so I will keep it for the next year and will be reusing it. And actually it's going strong and lovely, and we were doing it together with you in one of the episodes. Probably I will put a link into the description to this video so you can check it. And yeah, it's lovely and it's sturdy and I like it. And now that's a weeding time, and I'm gonna be weeding all three vegetable beds, and I'm hiding from the sun. It's an evening, but it's still hot. And yeah, I'm gonna be planting only in two of them, but I'm gonna be weeding all of three just because it's always a good idea. Okay, now I removed the majority of weeds and I won't be working here. So we have 1 and 2 vegetable beds. And now weeding is done, and I will be adding compost. I have 2 compost bags for two vegetable beds, and I will be spreading this compost, and then I'm gonna be placing first salads and beetroot, and their spacing is rather simple. Usually I space them in squares with each size equal to 20 centimeters, and I believe that it's enough space for them to grow and enough space for them to fill. But another important thing is that usually when I'm buying something already in pots like seedlings, I usually picking up the multi-sown for example, beetroots. So, and when I'm telling you that actually I have this spacing of 20 centimeters, because in each and every pot I have 3-4 beetroots growing together, so they will need more space to grow and to develop. That's why I'm doing this. And for salads, just for them to have enough space to create a beautiful salad head. And yeah, and actually the second bed next to this tomato plant is getting much more sun than any other bed, and that's why I decided to leave it for celery, because it needs a lot of sun. It likes the sun to grow, but again, it's multi-sown and it really likes space. It really needs space, meaning that I will be leaving at least 40 centimeters, yeah, like this, between each and every plant, and that would be enough space for them to grow and to fill. And I decided to put celery here because it's kind of It's really hungry plant, and soil here is much better than in my vegetable garden. And actually it takes so much time for them to grow and to mature and to become a beautiful celery then I will be using in cooking. So I believe that planting it right now, it's a really good way for them to grow and to develop and actually soak this sun energy that they need, so they will become even bigger and nicer looking plants. Now everything is in the ground and I just need to water it, so let's go. And this is what we have here right now. So we have my celery as planted, it's spaced nicely, and then sauce and beetroot. So yeah, it's not empty anymore, and it's gonna be absolutely lovely. Just give it another day and sauce and beetroots will be much happier, and celery as well. So yeah, I'm super happy, and I picked this vegetable bed for salads just because it stays shady for longer, and celery, this space gets much more sun. So I really hope that the plants will be happy. And this is gonna be it for today. And actually I can't believe it, but today we've started planting for a new season. And yes, it's mid-August, and yes, it's still hot, but yeah, I've got a feeling that autumn is somewhere near. So we have our salads, we have our beetroots and celery in the ground, and I really hope that they're gonna be happy. I still have my tomatoes going, and I will keep them for another month, I believe, and then I will change them for something. And I have still my basil plants. They're going strong and beautiful. So yeah, that's a mixture of summer planting and autumn planting, and I really enjoy it. And it looks full and not that great because salads are kind of sad right now, but tomorrow morning they're gonna be fine. So yeah, it's fun, it's exciting, and see you next time for another fun project. And thank you for watching. Bye. Please like, share, subscribe.